This camera can't pick them all up, but disturbed a bumblebee nest. Oh my Lord, that would be pretty near fatal for some people. Got one zapped me yesterday. It felt like later on in the evening, just felt like they got me in the back of the calf. Felt like someone had whopped me with a crowbar or something. Just bruised feeling. And them suckers. I took a long pole. It was actually a limb saw. I kind of hooked the top of the nest. They like to get in wads of old grass and hay and stuff and build their nest in there, and that's where they were at, leaves and stuff. But I hate disturbing them, but they're right in a traffic area here. I found them yesterday while I was mowing. Yeah, they didn't like that very good. But that is a lot of bumblebees. Stay behind this tree here. Maybe I won't. Hope I don't get zapped. I might get that on the video. Yeah, that's all big old black and yellow bumblebees. Right in there. You see that pile? I kind of flipped it over a little bit, or scooted it. I'm telling how many's actually down in there. Lordy, lordy. I hate killing them, hate getting rid of them. Good pollinators. Just not in a good spot. Man. We'll try to see what we can do without actually killing them. I knew it wouldn't kill them. Last night I came in while they were all in their nest, and I kind of lit the dead grass around there. It was taller. Couldn't really tell where they were at, and I burned it off. Didn't really do much damage to them or their nest. Just made it where I could see. You can tell where I kind of burned off around it. And sprayed it with water so it wouldn't just sit there and smolder on them. But yeah, that's tough stuff there. We'll try to do an update video when we decide what we got going on here. God bless.